ver.
37, bro.
37.
Casi 40 centímetros.
Segovia was blanketed in white snow after 20 hours of snowfall. By Saturday evening, the storm that had been battering the province had subsided, although Navacerrada remained closed to trucks. The storm finally subsided on Saturday evening. The relentless snowfall that had blanketed much of Segovia province over the past 20 hours had created a layer of icy cold that continued to complicate traffic in some areas. However, the list of affected roads was much smaller than during the day. According to the winter road maintenance report from the regional government of Castile and Leon, many restrictions previously in place on the provincial road transport map have been lifted, with only the CL 601 road on the Navacerrada route, which separates the province from the community of Madrid, remaining closed. Trucks and other heavy vehicles are still prohibited from using it, while cars must use snow chains. The same applies to drivers traveling on the SG 211 between Tabanera La Luenga and Aguilafuente, on the SG 332 road from Navalmanzano towards Navas de Oro, and on the SG 342 road from Nava de la Asunción to Nava de la Asunción, and from Nava de la Asunción to Santa Maria la Real de Nieva. The road network situation is expected to improve as the snow subsides. Road closures and other traffic incidents are among the consequences of the cold and snowy weather that hit much of Spain on Saturday, with heavy snowfall in Avila and Segovia, and several highland towns covered in snow. Around 50 roads in 8 provinces were affected by the snowstorm, with 6 secondary roads closed to vehicular traffic in Granada, Salamanca, and Navarra, according to information updated at 1:15 p.m. by the General Directorate of Traffic, DGT. Five of the roads affected by the storm are on the main road network. Trucks and articulated vehicles are prohibited from passing in Madrid and Segovia, on the A1 motorway between El Molar and Cerezo de Abado, and in Avila, the A50 highway was closed between Avila and Guimielcan. The Ministry of Transport has deployed 633 snow removal vehicles and 116,425 tons of desing agent to combat snowfall in the autonomous regions of Aragon and Castile and Leon, it announced in a statement on Saturday. The 11 regions are on alert for snow, rain, and rough seas, with Galicia, Aragon and Castile and Leon at orange level, significant risk. Galicia for rough seas, and Aragon for snowfall, which will be particularly heavy in the regions of Avila and Segovia, as well as in the Aragonese Pyrenees.
Bueno, tengo leña y tengo algo de comida.
The State Meteorological Agency, AMET, recommends that travelers check road conditions. Segovia and Avila woke up to snow. In the city of Segovia, heavy snowfall this morning has dumped about 10 centimeters of snow, making travel on roads and sidewalks difficult. Therefore, residents are advised to exercise extreme caution when traveling around the city, both on roads and on foot. The Department of Environmental Sustainability, through the cleaning services company FCC, has a team of 20 people working continuously to clean the city. For this task, 5 vehicles equipped with leveling and salt spreaders are used, 3 large vehicles, 1 medium-sized vehicle, and a small pickup truck primarily dedicated to cleaning the streets in the Old Town. In the province, the Segovia Provincial Council's winter road maintenance team has been working at full capacity since the afternoon, with an operation consisting of a park manager, 4 foremen, 12 drivers, and 6 trucks dedicated to keeping the road network in the best possible condition. In total, 33 workers and 12 snow removal vehicles from the Avila Provincial Council are working to clear snow from the province's roads. In addition, 10 additional vehicles from the regional government of Castile and Leon's winter road maintenance plan are operating on the Avila regional road network and some mountain passes due to snow accumulation. Beyond the majestic monuments, the snowfall also brings life to everyday life. Homemade snowmen in squares and streets, children playing outdoors, and families taking leisurely strolls all contribute to a unique day marked by cold weather and snowball fights between friends and family.